Hello everybody, and today in this video I will test Polaroid Snap instant digital camera down. Let's get started. So first I'm going to pop open this cover right here, and there's a screws. So I'm going to take the screws apart using the Phillips double O head. There we go, and we have opened the cover. So now let's put that away and see what's inside. As you can see, we have a built-in battery right here. This is a 7.4 volt 720 mAh battery. And we have an ARM chip right here. It's a Connexent DC1390. And here we have an ESMT chip. We have a tiny little LED flash, and we have this very small image sensor and lens here, and we have the mechanism for the power button right here. That's our viewfinder. Here's our ribbon cable for the top panel control, and this is the printer part. So now let's take all these screws apart. And so I have something holding down there, so we are going to take the two screws on the motherboard. That's our little speaker. It's for the beeping and all that stuff. Alright, and here we have the two ribbon cables. And on the back of the board we have a micro SD card slot, micro USB port, few chips right here, which looks to be like a MOSFET or something like that. And we have our thermal printer unit. So now let's take apart this thermal printer unit. And here we have the rollers of the gears mechanism to move the paper forward. And this is our thermal printer head right here. And there's nothing back here, as always. And that's it. Thanks for watching.